Hello. I have a question for you. Can you believe that you can turn this into this in just a matter of seconds? Introducing the WheelAble Travel Commode. It really is this easy. The WheelAble folding shower commode chair is the ultimate travel companion. Be it a weekend away or a long-haul adventure, it's no problem for the WheelAble. The clip-on pan allows users to take the WheelAble away, while giving them peace of mind that the Commode option's always there, even if the facilities aren't. This lightweight and compact chair can be used in showering areas and over most toilets as an alternative to bulky equipment. It can be folded away in 6 simple steps with no need for tools. The WheelAble comes with a range of optional extras, such as this seat cover. Let's look at the WheelAble one more time, in real time. Not speeded up. If you want more information on the WheelAble Travel Commode chair, then please contact us at the Osprey Group on 01257 425 623 and we'll send you our literature. Thank you so much for watching. If you don't want to miss our new videos, then you can subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the button here.